Kohima Municipal Council leadership opor charcha ja thake opor advisor for urban development and municipal affairs Jalio Riobra koise ki sarkar bra law hisab kaam do kuri luise itu do councillor la opor des ena oigina advisor bra salary na pa opor de one dise ki financial support digina funds misuse kuria jani paise kuile inquiry thakibo sarkar logo depend na kurigina nijor kamabole koshish kurule lage koigina urban bodies ke janais
Resignation and the department is supposed to keep the
So we're talking
order,
about
right?
the KMC,
The KMC.
the
Oh,
you're
Kohima
talking about
Municipal.
KMC?
Yes,
Chairperson and deputy chairperson.
KMC chairperson has resigned, and alongside even deputy chairperson. So they are fulfilling the provision of the act. So government has already agreed.
Okay. So what is the progress? Because it's been more than 15 days that it has been
Department is
submitted.
supposed to submit.
So now it is left to the councillors. They have to elect a new leader.
So also we have learned that the KMC and DMC they are not getting their pay for months. What is this happening?
No, even we got information. They have written to the government that government to give them one-time grant to clear the dues of ULB employee salary. But government we cannot just give one-time grant all the time. In fact, I want to bring to your notice, before we could hold election, DMC, including KMC, they had written to government asking for one-time grant to clear their employee salary. So I discussed with the Chief Minister, we're going to have election after 20 years. So before election is conducted, let us give them a clean sheet. So accordingly, for DMC, we had given a little over 5 crore to clear the employee salary, pending salaries. So also KMC was given a little over 3 crores. But within few months, again, they are coming with the same problem. This government cannot tolerate.
Does that mean they have misutilized these funds being given to them?
Advance?
No, misutilized the funds that has been given to them. Does it mean that they have misutilized the fund that have been given to them?
I have no proof, but we're going to go into the depth of this. But common sense
So there will
says-
be an investigation, internal investigation.
Yeah. I'm going to send a department to make inquiries into all this.
Is it related to all the ULBs or to all the 25
See,
ULBs?
we also have different classes of ULBs. I know there are about 15, 16 ULBs. We can say they are not effectively functioning. So there is no population, there is no shop, accordingly there is no revenue. We are aware of this thing. But at least I can vouch with confidence that DMC, KMC, Mokchuni, if they cannot survive, then something different is going wrong. And we are very serious about this.
So when are you going to start the investigation?
No, the process I've already directed. So now we have called for information.
Okay.
What are the various sectors that they are getting revenue? And per month, how much they are getting? And even the expenditure, we're looking into this.
Thank you.